Are you looking for a searching high-performing website that represent your brand and rank well on search engine? I am a professional website customizer and SEO specialist with experience in crafting, customizing, and optimizing websites for various industries. What I offer: a wide collection of ready-to-use website demos for business, e-commerce, blogs, portfolio service, and more. Full customization if layout, colors, font, page, and features to match your brand identity. Integration of contact form, social media, payment gateway, and other key features. Mobile-friendly and responsive design that looks perform on all devices. On-page SEO optimization including meta tags, keywords, structure, alt tag, page speed, and schema. Advice and guidance on selecting the best design for your needs and goals. Why work with me? I make the process easy for clients even if you don't have technical knowledge. You can choose from my any live demos website before we start so you know exactly that yours getting. I offer clean professional design with fast loading speed and SEO based prices. I care about result, conventions, user experience, and search engine performance. Whether you are launching a new site or redesigning an old one, I'll provide you with expert support from demo sections to launch. Let's build a website what works as hard as you do. Contact me today to view my live demo collections and discuss your project. I help our clients firstly choose the right design from my collections for ready-made demos and and customize every part of the website to fit their brand, and then optimize site speed, mobile responsiveness, and on-page SEO. Finally, ensure the website ranks well on Google and attract targeted visitors. Moreover, let's build a website that not only looks great but performs even better. Feel free to check out my demo website. I am confident you will find the perfect match for your vision.